Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to withdraw money on TonKeeper. So as you can see, the app has been launched already, and this is the home page, and this is our surface area where we have all the total amount of money that we have in our wallet. So for you to withdraw, you have to navigate and go to your wallet where your Ton or other cryptocurrency are stored. So they can see now, this are list of other cryptocurrency that we have. We have Toncoin here, we have USDT, even though we have many of them. So for the sake of this video, we are going to use USDT as an example. So this is cryptocurrency. As you can see, we have 0 USDT. That means we don't have any crypto asset being stored in this crypto platform. So if you want to withdraw your money, you click on send. Then you have to make sure you provide an accurate wallet address to where you are sending your money to withdraw. So right here, you paste, don't write, you paste the wallet address. So after you paste the wallet address, then you add commentary, reason why you want to withdraw your money. So just for security purpose, then you press proceed. So once you press proceed, the amount of money you want to withdraw will be specified. You have to specify the amount of money you want to withdraw on the next page. Then after that, you send. Then you have your money in your local currency. Thank you.